you have been given a string by your instructor. You need to find a ruler, and in the middle of the string, as you are holding it tight, you need to measure 5 centimeters. So I'm going to put a little dot right there. I'm going to pull it tight, and then at 5 I'm going to put a little dot. Now what you need to do is make sure that the dot goes all the way around. And if you don't have a partner, you are going to have to tape one end of this to the table. So the best thing that you can do to tape it really securely is to use some Scotch tape to tape one end down, and then turn and allow some extra, and then turn it flat and tape it again. Then it's going to be fairly secure, and it has to be fairly secure because you're going to twist this other end. If the string is as long as this is, you really only have to start twisting about an inch from that. And you're going to twist, and make sure that you twist so that you're not unraveling it. Ooh, and that's what I'm doing. Twist it so that you're not unraveling that string, you are actually twisting it up so that it's tighter and tighter and tighter. You're going to twist it until you can no longer twist it anymore. And I'm not any close to twisting it as far as you can go, but when you've twisted it and it doesn't curl on itself, you pull it tight. And you're going to measure between those marks. Again, don't let loose, because then you're going to twist it until you can no longer twist it anymore. It's going to curl in on itself, and you're going to do some measurements. I twisted as far as it'll go. I'm going to measure it between the two marks. You can see that now it's no longer 5 centimeters, it's about 4.3 centimeters. You can see it's coiled on itself, and that's as far as I can twist it as a person. And we'll measure it again. And if we look at the distance between the two marks, it's actually less than 2. Now untwist this string. Let it all loosen up. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take the end and untwine it. This string has 3 twines. Some strings have 6. See, it has 3 strings. Actually, it has 3, and then each one have 6. And you want to untwine it till you get to the littlest amount. You can see what I did. I double taped it to the end of the table, and then I strung, once I took out 2 strands, separated the 3 strands together. That's what this is. And you're going to measure the space between here, and if you go to the middle of the mark, and to the middle of the mark, you're going to measure this one on the 1/3 strand, and then this is on taking this strand, separating it to 8 strands, and this is this one. You're going to measure that length. Look at the advantages of the string. When it's all coiled up, notice I can't pull it apart, but as it gets less coiled and less coiled, this is easy to break. So what does coiling provide you? what's the advantage?